You're sleeping 7, maybe even 8 hours a night. You drag yourself through your morning coffee, but you're still tired, still foggy, still unmotivated. Mid-afternoon hits, and you crash again. What if I told you this isn't just poor sleep or stress? It's something deeper, hidden, systemic. The real culprit behind your low energy and declining hormones isn't aging. It's chronic inflammation and toxic overload, silently sabotaging your vitality every single day. And the worst part? Most men have no idea it's happening. In this video, we're exposing the real reason you feel drained, foggy, and flatlined, and what you can do about it starting today. Stick around, because at the end, I'll share the exact 3-step process I personally use to reverse the damage and reclaim my energy and drive. The hidden crisis most men ignore. Let's be honest, most guys never think about inflammation or toxins. We just power through the day, convinced that being tired, cranky, or out of shape is just getting older. But here's what the science says. It's not your age, it's inflammation and chemical overload. Right now, your body is under constant attack, and you probably don't even know it. From the seed oils in your food, to the plastic bottle you're drinking from, to the fresh scent in your laundry detergent. Every single day, your immune system is fighting back against foreign invaders, but the fight never ends, and that's the problem. When inflammation becomes chronic, not the kind from a twisted ankle, but the silent, low-grade kind, it breaks down the systems you rely on as a man. Testosterone, brain function, sleep quality, gut health, recovery, and your drive. It becomes a silent sabotage. You're walking through life half-charged, thinking it's just your job, your age, or your responsibilities. But in reality, your body is stuck in survival mode. How inflammation destroys your testosterone and energy. Let's zero in on testosterone, your primary male hormone. It gives you strength, drive, muscle, and mental clarity. But inflammation, it directly shuts it down. Your testosterone is produced in the Leydig cells of your testes. These little guys are sensitive, and chronic inflammation wrecks them. Even if you lift weights, eat clean, and get decent sleep, if you're inflamed, your T levels can be suppressed. Or worse, your body stops using the testosterone you do have. And that's not all. Chronic inflammation also increases cortisol, your primary stress hormone. Now here's the kicker. Cortisol and testosterone are opposites. One prepares you for battle, short term. The other builds you up, long term. Too much cortisol blocks testosterone from working at the cellular level, so you could have normal blood levels of T, but still feel weak, tired, and foggy. Because cortisol says, we're in danger, shut down growth, prioritize survival. Meanwhile, your testosterone is sitting on the bench, useless. And this isn't theoretical, it's happening to millions of men right now. The toxin trap, and why it's worse than you think. Now, let's talk toxins. We live in a chemical soup, and the scary part, many of these chemicals mimic estrogen, creating a condition known as estrogen dominance in men. These are called endocrine disruptors, and they're everywhere. Plastics, especially BPA and phthalates, non-stick cookware, scented shampoos and deodorants, tap water with fluoride and heavy metals, air fresheners and synthetic candles. These compounds confuse your hormonal system. They act like estrogen. They bind to receptors that testosterone should be using. And when your body's flooded with estrogenic chemicals, your T takes a nosedive. This is why so many men are gaining belly fat, losing muscle, and feeling emotionally unstable, even in their 30s. The system is rigged against us. And mainstream advice, it's still telling you to eat less and move more. That's not enough. You need to detox your environment and defend your hormones like your life depends on it. Signs you're being affected right now. Still not sure if this applies to you? Here are the top signs that inflammation and toxins are silently wrecking your hormones. You wake up tired, even after a full night of sleep. You struggle with brain fog, memory lapses, or lack of focus. You've lost motivation both in life and in the bedroom. You carry stubborn belly fat, even with clean eating. You have random joint aches or stiffness. You experience skin breakouts or inflammation. Your mood is unpredictable, more emotional or irritable than usual. Check off even 2 or 3 of those, and chances are your body is inflamed and overloaded with toxins. But here's the good news, you can reverse this. And in the second half of this video, we'll cover the exact steps you need to start detoxing, lowering inflammation, and reigniting your testosterone naturally. How to naturally clear inflammation and detox your system. So how do you fight back? How do you stop your body from drowning in inflammation and hormonal sabotage? It starts with reclaiming control over your environment and your inputs. Here are 3 core steps to start detoxing your system, lowering inflammation, and getting your testosterone and energy back online. Step 1. Clean up your inputs. Before you add anything new, you have to remove what's poisoning you. Ditch seed oils, canola, soybean, sunflower, they're everywhere. These oils oxidize easily and trigger inflammation at a cellular level. Start cooking with olive oil, ghee, or coconut oil instead. Cut processed sugar and artificial sweeteners. They spike blood sugar, feed inflammation, and mess with your gut. Your body needs balance, not chemical chaos. Switch from plastic to glass or stainless steel. BPA, phthalates, and microplastics leach into your water and food. These aren't small issues. They directly mimic estrogen and interfere with your hormonal signaling. Go natural with your personal care products. Your skin is your largest organ. If you're slathering it with synthetic fragrances, parabens, and aluminum, you're inviting toxicity into your bloodstream every single day. Air it out. If your home smells nice thanks to air fresheners, scented candles, or sprays, that's likely synthetic fragrance and petrochemicals. Use essential oils or open windows instead. Small shifts in your daily choices have a compounding effect on your internal environment. Step 2. Eat for detox and hormonal power. Food isn't just fuel, it's information, and the right foods tell your body to detox, repair, and thrive. Here's what to add to your daily plate. Cruciferous veggies. Broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and kale help your liver clear out excess estrogen and xenoestrogens. Anti-inflammatory heroes. Garlic, turmeric, and ginger reduce cytokines, the molecules that drive inflammation. Healthy fats. Avocados, olive oil, nuts, and seeds stabilize blood sugar and provide the raw materials for hormone production. Omega-3 rich fish, wild salmon, and sardines are loaded with EPA and DHA, which directly fight inflammation and improve cell membrane integrity, crucial for hormone signaling. Lemon water and herbs. Parsley, cilantro, and lemon water support detox pathways in your liver and kidneys, flushing out heavy metals and toxins. The goal? Fuel your cells with nutrients that lower inflammation, promote detoxification, and empower testosterone production. Step 3. Use targeted natural supplements. Let's face it, diet and lifestyle alone might not be enough in today's toxic world. That's where high-quality, targeted supplementation can make a game-changing difference. Think of supplements as strategic reinforcements in a battle you've been fighting alone for too long. You don't need 50 pills. You need a few proven allies that do the heavy lifting. Chapter 6. My favorite natural helpers, real allies in the fight. After months of testing and research, here are the top 4 supplements I personally use and recommend to clients who want to fight inflammation, support detox, and reignite their energy. Testosterone. This is a well-rounded, natural testosterone booster. It combines ingredients that support your body's own T production, while reducing estrogen and aiding recovery. Great for men feeling sluggish, soft, or stuck in low gear. Glucose 6. Managing blood sugar is crucial because spikes in insulin equal spikes in inflammation. Glucose 6 helps stabilize your blood sugar throughout the day, reducing cravings and lowering inflammatory load. NAD supplement. NAD+ is a molecule your body uses for energy metabolism, cellular repair, and detox. As you age, or if you're inflamed, your NAD levels tank. Supplementing can reboot your mitochondria and restore youthful energy. Neuroactive. If you're dealing with brain fog or mental fatigue, this blend delivers B vitamins, antioxidants, and adaptogens that reduce neuroinflammation and restore clarity. Each of these supports a different piece of the puzzle, from hormones to blood sugar to cellular energy. And the best part? They work together synergistically, helping you rebuild your foundation from the inside out. Chapter 7. Your 7-day inflammation reset plan. Ready to put this into action? Here's a simple but powerful 7-day reset routine that gives your body a break from the daily toxic assault, while supporting hormone balance and inflammation reduction. Morning routine. Wake with natural light. Even 10 minutes resets your circadian rhythm. Drink water with a pinch of sea salt and lemon. Take your NAD supplement to support mitochondrial repair. Eat a protein plus fat breakfast. Eggs, avocado, maybe a few berries. No phone for the first 30 minutes. Protect your dopamine. Midday. Have a balanced lunch with protein, greens, and healthy fats. Take glucose 6 before eating to stabilize blood sugar. Get a quick walk or sunlight break for 10 to 15 minutes. If needed, take Neuroactive for afternoon focus without stimulants. Evening. No food 2 hours before bed. dim lights after 8 p.m. Avoid blue light exposure. Magnesium or calming tea after dinner. Take testosterone before bed to support overnight recovery. Aim for 8 hours of quality, uninterrupted sleep. Stick to this for 7 days, and your body will thank you. You'll feel lighter, clearer, and more energized without the caffeine, sugar, or crash cycles. It's not too late to get your edge back, and it starts today. Check the links in the description to learn more about the supplements and tools I recommend. Subscribe for more deep dive health strategies, and drop a comment with the one change you're going to make starting today. Stay sharp, stay strong, stay optimized.